For more awesome content, head to ystech.org, link in the description. Hey guys, it is Wise from ystech.org here, and let's get straight into this unboxing. Alright, so we got some Noctua NTH1. Won't go over that, I've done an unboxing of that before, but let's get to the big guy in here. Woo! It's the B550 Aorus master motherboard from Gigabyte. So I'm upgrading my motherboard finally, so I don't know about finally, but yeah, so I'm getting a new case, the Corsair 5000D, because I found the airflow in my case kind of just not as great as it used to be. So there's my old computer right there, and yeah, so we're gonna just unbox this real quick. Yeah, it's a premium motherboard, very expensive. Let's see what it comes with here. Cool. So, comes with some stickers and stuff. That's cool, I guess, if you like that. Comes with a nice motherboard manual. And more stickers. I'll just put the motherboard, so that's what the motherboard looks like. I'll just put it down here for now. See what else comes in here. So, hopefully some SATA cables. Plenty of SATA cables to come. Some zip ties, some cable extensions. That's great. Yeah, that's awesome to see. And it also comes with the Wi-Fi adapter if you want to use Wi-Fi, and a few other things for, I think that's, not sure. Oh, this is a speaker, some zip tie stuff. Yeah, not bad at all. And Gigabyte 6-pin connector as well. Cool, nice. Definitely a premium thing here. Let's just put that down. Box is very nice. I like that. This is a full ATX motherboard. It's pretty large, if you guys can see that here. Wow, nice. So I'm not too afraid of touching the back. It comes with a back plate right there, which is great to see. 4 slots of the RAM. Comes with 6 SATA, which is awesome. Comes with 3 PCIe. So this one's 16x over 8 and 4. Depends on what you put in here. So this is an M.2 slot, which will take bandwidth away if you use these two as well. So just up to that. AM4 socket, passively cooled up here as well, which is great. Passively cooled here on the MOSFET. So looking good. Comes with the back plate as well, which is awesome to see. Overall, a really high quality motherboard. I have really no complaints about it, that's why I got it. Actually, one complaint. The freaking, what do you call it? CMOS battery is underneath the graphics card, so that's a little bit irritating. I guess this is the only place I could put it, but I could have put it down here as well, but, you know, whatever. Yeah, awesome motherboard, not great price, but it is a hell of an upgrade for me, so yeah, I mean, that about sums up the video for the unboxing. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure you can check out ystech.org for all these post reviews and much more. I'll see you guys there at ystech.org. But other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.